In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background in Capcut on PC. So let's go straight to the video. Okay, so once you are inside Capcut, just select the clip where you want to remove the background. In my case, I will have the clip just right here at the top. And what you need to do after you have the clip is to go on this section here. You need to go on cutout. Then here at the bottom, you will see auto cutout. So it will take some time, and as you can see, it removed automatically the background for me. Now, once the background is removed, you can also put other clips below if you want to change the background. For example, I'm gonna put this other video right here. It's important that the background is going to be in the bottom timeline, and as you can see right now, the background is correctly inserted. If this video has been helpful for you, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for other content.